Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use FloSports on iPhone. First, open the App Store on your phone, search for FloSports and tap download. Once the app is installed, open the FloSports app. Now log into your account using the email and password you used to sign up. If you don't have an account yet, type sign up and choose a subscription plan. After login, you will see a home screen. Here you can see a live game, upcoming event and popular sports. To explore more, tap on sports category such as wrestling, racing, hockey or basketball. This shows all events for the sports. If a live game is available, you will see a live label. Tap on the game to start watching. You can turn your iPhone sideways to watch in full screen mode. Make sure you are connected with Wi-Fi or strong mobile data for smooth streaming. To manage your account, tap on your profile icon. Here you can check your subscription, update setting or log off. You can also search for events using a search icon at the top of the app. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.